Oh, let's play the Skin Stapler. I never played this before. I seen cases. What is this? These are different chapters and shit. Unlock chapters. Okay, bet. All right, let's play this bitch. I seen Quesos play it, but I ain't watched the full thing. Hold on, let me play this shit for myself. But let's try it. I got shit my beard. Okay, this shit look like GTA 2. Shit look like GTA 3.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways.
Very nice. Okay, Batman.
The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions.
Oh, it's actually Batman talking to me, man.
Consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city.
Okay.
Skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me, I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery, with everything else for sale. Murder.
What the fuck is that? Please report any possible sightings. Okay. Sheesh, smoking that cigar.
Detective Dick Slater.
Dick Slater. Nigga, what the fuck his name is that? Come on, nigga. Lock in like nigga, Detective Dick Slater. They could have came up with anything.
Come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to
Who's looking for me, bitch?
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
Okay, I'm sliding right now. Slide. Slide.
Good old Carrion City PD.
Oh shit. I'll be playing.
Stale coffee. Let's see
Okay.
what the chief wants this time.
Sheesh. Oh yeah, that's tough. Yo, Chief, what you want, nigga? You damn. Okay, fine shit. Fine shit. Fine shit.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
Bitch, fall asleep on his dick.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See
Yo,
you
Slidey, she
around.
wanna crack, bro. She wants you to crack. Jesus. Sheesh. What office that, bitch? Shit. Big dog, where you at? What's the word, D-man?
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you
What
to
a
finally
cornball,
show
what a
us.
cornball, what a corner. Okay.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the full Mooner case?
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then. But
Okay.
I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The Stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Knox is your new partner.
What?
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. O'Brien?
The fuck? Yo, what's up with this nigga? God.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
Whoa! That nigga munching! Munch, munch, munch. Eating that dick, boy. That nigga got dope.
That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
Alright, bro. See you later, bitch ass nigga. I hate you.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the Stapler that I feel like I'm in a decent Cox film.
Okay. Hold on, bro. My bad, y'all.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer.
Okay, Batty boy, bummer clap, motherfucker. You talking all that crap, nigga. I'll box you, both of y'all niggas. Okay. Where I get my blick at? How am a cop with no blick? Jeez, we the detective, boy. Hey, baby. Kiss me. Kiss me real quick, shorty. I love you. Love you, girl. Love me a snow bunny, man. Hey, nigga, fuck out my whip, nigga. Get all these whips here. You wanna come in my shit, man? Damn, bro. What, nigga?
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Okay, okay.
Break either rule,
Commissioner Gordon
I
ass nigga.
leave you at the curb.
Understood.
Hot, fresh wieners inside. What the fuck? The quickie flicks.
Another
The fuck is
beautiful
this?
night in Carrion City. I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regret my life choices.
Shit.
But I don't regret you, baby. My
Damn, that's a nice
cheaper
car.
deserves
I wouldn't
a-
even get that bitch
Once
either.
I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in the dust.
Yeah, that's
I'll be counting the days
this nigga has priorities fucked up.
Better head inside and start my shift.
Oh shit, what happened to the cool nigga we was just paying us? Oh, how do I clock in? Okay. You're blowing up the pipe like that.
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you?
Okay. Nigga, you don't speak English, nigga?
Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic.
Costing me money.
Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Shit. Fuck it. Meat is meat. Meat is meat.
Are you calling me on the shitter again? Disgusting!
Nigga, why would you want to work for a nigga that barely can even say a fucking sentence?
Alright, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Alright, bro. What we doing again? What we doing? Where the wieners at? What do we do? Jeez, that's a nice car. Where kid left the wieners at? Damn it. Man, that was pointless. Man, sprinting this game is just regular walking. Sheesh. Alright, bro. Let's start our shift. What's the objective? Ah. I should open some other bullshit. Oh. Family quick fix. Wearing stand is out of wieners. His family quick fix is fix instant stand is out of wieners. How do I get the wieners though? Where the wieners at? It's out of wieners. Okay. The nigga did say it was outside in the rain. But niggas don't know how to do their job, fam. Ain't no wieners out here. Oh, what the fuck? No, your mama didn't fix your face when she gave birth to you. Ah!
Jeez, you scared the crap out of me, man. What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with the killer punch.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
My
Why did they just left the hot dogs outside in the
I
garbage?
do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Alright, Pennywise, suck my dick. Yeah. I need kinda clean though, I ain't for hold you.
Just another night with another creep.
I hate this city. Okay, we got hot dogs, hot diggity dogs, hot diggity dog, hot dogs. Okay. Where do I put the sausages at? Ew, but this shit's dirty. Oh, we gotta grind them bitches. The fuck? Ew. That's disgusting. That's how they make hot dogs in gas stations? Ah, shit. Boom, boom, boom. Jeez, how many times I gotta do this? Okay. That's enough? Bet. That's a lot of hot dogs. I don't remember making that much. Okay. What's the word, D-man? Yo, what's good, huh? You good? Nigga don't be stealing out there. Yo, what you need? What you need, man? What's good, D-man? Hey, I don't have a finished hot dog. I don't have a finished hot dog, I bet. What you need, D-man? How do I cook the hot dogs? Oh, sizzling it. With some buns. Yo, how's your day been, bro? You good? You chilling? You enjoying life? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's a big ass hot dog, boy. I know you can eat all that. You sure you can eat all that? But that's a lot. That's an actual hot dog. That's actually a big ass hot dog, bro. Toasted buns. Okay, shut the fuck up. Untoasted buns. How do I pick it up? Not holding. The fuck did I toast this? This. Where the hot dog went? Okay, untoasted bun, not holding. Okay, bad. I need a toasted bun. How the fuck do I toast the buns? I need a toasted hot dog bun. Okay. Hey, you want a hot dog like this? I don't have a finished hot dog. Okay. I could grab everything, but I can't. I gotta toast the buns, man. Okay. But okay, bet. Add toasted buns. Step. Oh, that's good. Step. Add toasted buns. Bet. Add cooked wiener. Bet. Okay. Untoasted bun. Add wiener. Okay, bet. I need an uncooked wiener. Toasted buns. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay. Boom. Add mustard, ketchup, add relish, the works, add the works, hot dog container, serve to customer. Okay. I ain't see that. I ain't see that at first. Okay. Put that there. We almost done, sir. Calm down. Calm down. I like your patience, sir. I like your patience. Sheesh. How's your day been, though? Okay. Add the button. Yo, can you shut the fuck up? Add mustard and ketchup. Okay. Okay. Add relish. That work here. Okay. Add some chili. Add some relish. Boom. Bon appetit, fam. Sheesh. Enjoy that shit. Nigga, what the fuck you got here? Hold on. Hey, what the fuck this nigga got going on? What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, nah, nigga, come back, bro. What the fuck? I need that. I need that. I need that. What the fuck he got going on? Yo, where you going, Unc? Bro, I need that. I gotta get that nigga back in the store. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, that shit had me crying. What the fuck that nigga got going on, boy? Oh my god, bro. Yo, let's get these shits pre-ready, bro. Oh my god, bro. What that nigga got going on? Ah, bitch, you bad as fuck. What's your name, shorty? Hey. Alright, alright, alright. You got the best hot dog, but I got the best hot dog right here. Yo, shut up, bro. Alright, ketchup. Eggs, bacon, grits, ketchup. No motherfucking lemon, ketchup. Ketchup. There you go, D-Man. Boy, I know you about to suck that shit. Hey, there's a buy one, get one free order right here in between my pants. Whoever, shit. God damn. Who's better, her or the nigga? God damn. Sheesh. That bitch could suck a dick. The fuck? That bitch could suck a mean one, boy. The fuck? Buy one, get one free between my pants, shorty. Damn, that bitch could suck some dick. Damn, I need that, man. God almighty. Get back in there. I already know, gang. What the fuck? Oh. D-Man. Chill, bro. I got you. I got you, fam. There you go. Alright, man. I ain't gonna have you waiting. Yo, can you shut up?
Hello.
There you go, man.
Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know it. You know it, D-Man. You know it.
Again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. Just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners?
Yes, sir. You can. You already know you came to suck me up. You already know you can't give me one of these.
I love a nice piece of flesh, but I am in the mood for something a little more unique.
What, my dick?
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
What?
Why do you need staples this late at night?
Staple his dick in his mouth?
Say I'm working on a little art project.
Man, you ain't no artist, nigga. Look at you. You lame.
Man, it's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Perfect. Thank you. I'll be
Alright, D-Man. You're welcome, man. So what, you just wasted a hot dog, fam? Nah, bro. Niggas like that. He got the audacity to talk to the nigga, bro. Like, what the fuck wrong with that nigga, bro? Bro, let's go run that fade, man. Damn, bro. Made me waste a hot dog. Come on in. Come on in. BigBitchDick.com. BigBitchDick.com. Oh, shit. I got you, shorty. I know what you need. I know what you need, girl. I know what you need, girl. Girl, I got what you need. Yo, I hate this thing. Ketchup. Baby, let me show you how I do that. Quick service. Ooh. Ooh. Us. Eat that up. Yo, what's up? What's up with this mechanic, bro? Why do these niggas that hungry for some hot dogs, nigga? Damn, I don't even like hot dogs like that myself. But damn, bitch, the fuck? You Even true, you just swallowed. That bro got that. I'd be surprised the killer is the most normal nigga here. Like, holy, that nigga throw that shit, boy. That nigga's a different breed. That's how y'all boys do it. Look, fast service. Y'all niggas just don't know. Fast service. Come on, come on, come on. Us. Us. Right there, look. Us. Just like that. Us. Come on, man. Get him out of there. 21 Savage. Oh, 21 Savage on timing, bro. What the fuck? 21. 21. 21. Damn, boy. Nigga, your name is 2169, nigga. Holy. That nigga fucking demon. What the fuck? I didn't know you swing like that, nigga. The fuck? Let me show y'all boys. Us. Toasted buns. Oh, hold on. Ah, fuck. Damn, when the next customer coming? Baby, I got you. Baby, if you give me my love, I give it to you. You know I got husband. Baby, you already know the vibe.
Hey, it's Shrimp Queen.
It's
Damn.
comfort.
It's you?
Don't judge me.
The fuck?
No judgment.
I don't judge you.
Even these wieners I'm selling, you don't
Sheesh.
know what's in 'em.
You
Shit,
should
don't judge
see
me. You
some
can-
of the stuff
you can
I've
eat me
scraped
up.
off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living
Sheesh.
the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon.
Okay, baby, don't worry about that. But you can eat me up, though, for dessert.
Don't worry.
On the
about
house.
it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-pathetic tonight.
Oh, I saw that clean ass nigga. I thought he was a nerdy ass nigga. I said nigga. Oh, shit. I also got the dreadlocks. Okay. What's that noise? Am I just dead? Bro. Oh, my God. It's just this shit. Oh, my God. There's a video I just made earlier, y'all boys. Don't worry about it, man. You know I'm grinding, man.
You should be arrested for that. Thanks, Maxine. I'll see you.
Have a good shift, Blake.
Alright, baby. I'm gonna crack you later, alright? Give me that shit. I ain't giving you your shit. I'm giving you some weenies, nigga. The fuck? Hey, but don't be touching on my bitch like that, bro. What the fuck wrong with you, nigga? Tying up, nigga. I see you looking at my bitch, nigga. The fuck wrong with you, nigga? I'm gonna slide over there real quick, bro. See you looking at my dime, nigga. Stop playing with me, shit, nigga. I'll fucking violate your guts, nigga. Stop playing with me, nigga. And that's on me, nigga. I'm big. What on that nigga, boy? Stop playing. Eat that, bro. Oh!
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
Oh shit, dude, what's your problem, fam?
Seems you're all out of staples.
Oh my god,
I'm
bro.
getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Oh, yeah, nigga, run that.
That might be fun. I did see something I liked very much.
But not my bitch.
No longer here.
Not my bitch. Nah, you ain't fucking my bitch. You ain't fucking my bitch.
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Yeah.
Not my bitch. You not talking about my bitch.
For shopping
You ain't
at
fucking my bitch, nigga. You
Quick
can fuck everybody else, bitch, but not my bitch.
Either way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
But this nigga's an asshole, bruh. Yo, fuck out of here, pussy. I'll fucking beat your ass when I see you, nigga. Let me catch you slipping, nigga. On me. Let me finish these hot dogs. I'll beat. Ooh, I can't. Ooh, with my fave,
Now
bro.
I need to fix the toilet. Just
Damn, bro. Dude's an asshole, bro. Dude's an asshole, bro. Damn, bro. Dude's an asshole, bro. I'm running my fade when I see you, gang. On me, nigga, I'm clocking out when I see you. Oh my god, bro. This nigga's an asshole. Quick fix plunger. It got me out of many situations.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed.
Yeah, that nigga an asshole, bro. The nigga's an asshole, bro. This game, the quality remind me of like PS2 days, like early PS2, early PS3 days. Like it remind me of the late PS2s and early PS3 days. But I used to love that era of gaming, bro. I grew up with that shit, bro. I really love the PS. The PS2 is my favorite console of all time. Nigga, why would you put your face in? Why are you touching the toilet? Nigga, get your face out of there, nigga. Oh my god. What is this nigga doing? Ah, this nigga's stupid. Oh shit! Oh shit, we clocking out. Yeah, we blaming that nigga. Yo, you gotta pack that nigga up, bro. You gotta pack that nigga up, fam. Yo, you cannot let a nigga slide like that, bro. Oh, what the fuck? We playing as the girl now? The fuck? Oh, this game tough. You can't let that shit slide, fam.
Break's pretty much over.
Nigga had shit all over your face, gang. Yo, nigga, wake up. Yo, Demon, wake your ass up, bro.
Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
Yeah, nigga, yeah.
Snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
Sleeping your ass off, pussy.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Nigga, what you clocking out
Maybe
for,
get this
fam?
cup of noodies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Alright. Where'd it go? That's the bathroom. Office staff only. Where the microwave at?
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Yo, Luke, you can bang it now, gang. Where the nigga went? Oh.
Alright, Lucas.
Nigga like that nigga from Guardian Galaxy.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Nigga, you ain't do shit.
What? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Just wow.
Amazing.
Catch you later, Blair.
Sheesh. That was actually hilarious, nigga. I'm not even gonna hold you. Alright, let's go get the noodles. Uma's the noodles? Ain't that the nigga we just seen? That shit done? Okay. For some reason, she's microwaving her noodles for more than fucking 4 minutes. Okay. Where do we go? Here? On it out, bro. I literally just walked past this shit and boom. This shit. Oh my fucking god, bro. That's fucking hilarious. What happened? You keep fucking up on that shit. What would happen? Oh fuck. Damn, doing the nigga's job, bro. I feel like the hot dog place was more chilling. All you do is make hot dogs stand still. This you gotta fix the company shit. You're a mechanic for this, bitch. Bitch. Like you was just standing right there, bitch.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Shit, you'd have been flatline.
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Damn, what about the raw noodles? The fuck? Nigga, what's the word, demon? We closed, demon. We closed, demon.
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello.
Hello.
What a lovely little establishment this is.
Alright, big teeth ass nigga, big mouth ass nigga, what's he want?
Creature running it.
Creature?
What's up,
Do you
demon?
want to purchase a lane, or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Okay.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct.
Okay.
I like that.
Thanks. I think.
Let me
Alright,
ask
nigga.
you a question.
Yeah, what you got, nigga?
Felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off.
I would like to ask you a question. Have you ever had your booty hole stretched out?
You mean like
That's what I'm about to do to
my
you,
work
nigga.
uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
Okay.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Yeah, nigga, get your weird ass on, bro.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling.
Shut up,
Until
nigga.
lane 6, thank
But he didn't even pay. Bro, why is nobody calling the cop? Don't these niggas read the newspapers and how this nigga look like? Okay. Go play.
Total creep.
Fuck wrong with that nigga, man? I'm gonna beat his ass with this ball. Hey, this game low-key tough. Okay, that's one. You still sending that gang? Go play, fam. Why you? I'm not worried about me, man. Okay. Is this how they really clean balls at a bowling alley? Sheesh. Body a gaming chair. My back be hurting playing these games, bro.
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Yo, where the fuck that nigga went? Nigga, what the fuck? You good? Yo, demon, you good? The fuck? Stay back, demons! These shoes don't need cleaning, bitch. I ain't stepping out there, nigga. You got me fucked up. How you clean these shits? These the only shoes I see. Oh, you grab any of these?
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Just stay back, man. I'm gonna spray your ass. Yeesh, I ain't worried about that nigga. That nigga soft. Spray his dumb ass like psst, all in that nigga mouth, man. The fuck?
That should do it.
Where he went?
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Oh yeah, bad. Where that demon went? Okay, got my
I'll eat this
grub.
back at the register.
Oh! Damn it! What the fuck? Oh man, she pat. It's over. It's over. Yeah, she is over. There's nobody here. Nobody can hear you scream. Yeah, it's over. It's over, gang. Oh, we still up. Oh, I didn't think he was giving you back shot. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
Bitch, you worried about the wrong thing.
Time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Lady, you're about to die in GTA.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
Oh my fucking god, this bitch right. Yo, you're about to die, bitch. Get off the ground. Oh shit, yep.
Knuckles away. Who are you talking to?
Oh, yep.
Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum.
This bitch is so fucking dumb, but you should have been got up.
Among other things.
That's why I can't move.
That nigga was probably giving you pipe.
Yes,
I don't put it past him.
you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
Well, what you mean by that? Let me free.
What do you mean?
Oh shit.
That beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I strip it from your body. I'm afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Oh, she's cooked.
Please, don't.
Well, it's over. Ooh. Holy, dude, that nigga got my bitch, bro. Nah, we gotta get our get back. No way. They really caught her out of there, bro. They really packed her up. Holy shit, dude. No way, dude. This nigga's a demon. He skinned the fuck out of her. Whoa. Yo, this nigga's a weirdo. Nah, that's crazy. Aw, man, I ain't expect her to just die, bro. I didn't think she was gonna get packed up, bro. I thought she was gonna survive, man. I was actually hoping for her to survive, bro. Damn, bro.